Here I'm making a video of this Kobalt, the supposedly mini mechanics tool set. I find these boxes pretty useful because I can work on specifically like my cars, and instead of going to the big toolbox set, you just grab one of these and just take it out there. So what I like about this one is this has all the sockets, and it has screwdriver sets and Torx bits, a shorter extension, longer extension. One thing about this one in particular, and in other reviews, is this is really tight in there, the ratchet. So yeah, I haven't done this in a while, but it's kind of hard to pop this out. And you just have to be careful. There you go. So I'm like popping this side out to pop this out. It's a 90-tooth ratchet. And this is pretty nice. Comes in a mini toolkit. We have some SAE and metric. I usually use metric because I have a Honda and a Mazda. I had Toyotas. It's 10mm. So I've used this recently. It's a quick release. I used this recently installing kill switch on my own Honda, and I just took this out there, and was able to do everything that I needed using this. I got this on sale for about, I'm gonna say it was like $25 for all of this. And I think it's quite useful. But again, everything in here is kind of tight, so that's one negative. So maybe the more you use it, the more loose it hopefully gets and easier to pull out. So that's the Kobalt mini tool set. That's what it looks like in hand. I wouldn't really call it mini, but portable.